Welcome to the Linguise native app for Shopify. In this video, I'll guide you from A to Z on how to translate your entire store in just a few minutes. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the initial setup and app settings to navigating the Linguise Dashboard and editing your translations live. Let's get started with the first step, defining your target languages. This is where you define your original and translated content languages. That's super easy. Once you're ready, we can go to the next step. Next, we'll set up the DNS records for your new languages. If that sounds technical, don't worry. We have an automated method to handle it for you. In fact, if your domain is registered directly through Shopify, the process is completely automatic. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Of course, if you're comfortable editing DNS records yourself, you can also choose to do this manually. And just like that, your website translation is almost ready. Now let's move on to step 3, customizing your language switcher. You have plenty of display options here, including pop-ups, drop-down lists, and custom positioning to match your store's design. Don't worry about getting it perfect right now. All these settings are accessible later, and we'll dive deeper into them further on in the video. Now for the final step of the installation, adding the Linguise AI translation script to your theme. Don't worry, this runs entirely in the background and is completely invisible to your customers. We've automated this process as well, so you can get it done instantly without touching any code. As you can see here, it's all ready. Just save the theme configuration to apply the modification and the translation is ready. Now let's verify that everything is working smoothly. You'll see the language switcher right here in its default position. Let's test it out by switching to Chinese. Notice how instant the translation is? And importantly, your website's layout remains perfectly intact. In other languages, that's the same. Here in Spanish, I can navigate through all my Shopify shop views without any issues. Next, I'll guide you through the Linguise Admin Dashboard. This account was automatically created for you during installation and serves as your central hub. Here you can find everything you need: your translation statistics, advanced configuration rules, and the tools to manually edit your content. Let's start with the translation rules. These powerful tools allow you to control how specific parts of your website are translated. For instance, you can stop certain brand names from being translated, set up automatic text replacements, or even exclude entire sections of your Shopify store from translation altogether. You can fine-tune each rule to apply to a specific language, a particular URL, or even to include or exclude dynamic AJAX content. The system is incredibly robust. You can create as many rules as you wish, giving you the power to handle absolutely any translation scenario. To make a simple text exclusion from all your Shopify translations, it's as simple as keeping the default option and type the text here. Now let's dive into the fun part, editing your translations. Whether you want to tweak the text yourself or delegate the task to a professional, it's incredibly simple. From your dashboard, just select a language and click the button to launch the live editor. You'll be redirected to your storefront, where you'll see the translation toolbar appear right at the top of the screen. On the top bar, you can toggle between two modes: Navigate to browse your pages as usual, or Translate to start editing. When the translation mode is active, simply click on any text element on the page to open the editor. Your changes are applied instantly. And yes, this works on every single piece of text in your shop. Now, let's navigate to a product page to show you another crucial feature: editing meta information. These are the hidden elements used by search engines for SEO and by social networks for sharing. By simply clicking the brackets icon, you gain full access to edit all the meta tags for the page.
In this final sequence, let's explore the settings available directly within your Shopify admin. Here, you still have full control to modify your target languages or tweak the appearance of your language switcher at any time.
For example, let's change the language switcher to appear as a top-right menu using short language codes. I'll stick with this style for now, but feel free to explore the many other display options available below. Here, let me set the new position and name setting, and now let's preview it here. Okay, I think we're good to go live. Let's save that, and refresh the page, and here we are. The new look is live. In the advanced settings, you can reconfigure or verify your existing DNS. You also have the option to enable translation for dynamic content loaded via AJAX. Plus, you can activate search translation, allowing your international customers to search for products in their own language. Last but not least, let's look at the subscription settings. This is where you manage your Linguise membership and billing. Our translation plans are straightforward and transparent. What you see on the price grid is exactly what you pay, with absolutely no hidden fees. We offer a 30-day free trial to get you started, and you can choose between monthly or yearly plans that scale all the way up to unlimited translation volume. Get the Linguise Shopify app and reach new international clients now.